Lotus High School. Today we are going to learn the value of a polynomial. Value of a polynomial. Question number 1. Find the value of the following polynomial at x is equal to 1. Find the value of the following polynomial at x is equal to 1. The given polynomial is 2x square minus 3x minus 2. Suppose we can assign one name to the given polynomial. Here we can write this is polynomial in variable x, that's why we can write f of x is equal to 2x square minus 3x minus 2, or q of x is equal to 2x square minus 3x minus 2, or g of x is equal to 2x square minus 3x minus 2, or m of x is equal to 2x square minus 3x minus 2, or k of x is equal to 2x square minus 3x minus 2, or L of x is equal to 2x square minus 3x minus 2, whatever it may be. What name you want to assign, like this here, you can assign that name to the given polynomial. Okay, find the value of a polynomial at x is equal to 1. The given polynomial is 2x square minus 3x minus 2. Let f of x is equal to 2x square minus 3x minus 2. Find the value at x is equal to 1. At x is equal to 1. In the sense, substitute x is equal to 1. Substitute x is equal to 1 in the given polynomial. Substitute x is equal to 1 in the given polynomial. That means f of 1 is equal to 2 into 1 square minus 3 into 1 minus 2. We are finding the value of the polynomial at x is equal to 1. That means f of 1 value we are finding. What is the value of f of 1? F of 1 is equal to, what is the value of f of 1? Is equal to, first of all, simplify the exponent. 1 square value 1 into 1, 1, 2 into 1, minus 3 into 1, minus 2. Multiply. 2 into 1 is equal to 2, 3 minus 3 into 1 is equal to 3, minus 2, minus 2. So, simplify that value. 2 minus 3 minus 2. 2 minus 3 minus 2. Actually, if you are adding these two, that is nothing but 2 minus 5. Minus 3 minus 2. If you simplify minus 3 minus 2, the answer is minus 5. Answer is minus 5. 2 minus 5 is equal to, if you know 5 minus 2 is equal to 3, automatically 2 minus 5 is equal to minus 3. The value is minus 3. The value is minus 3. Therefore, finally, f of 1 is equal to minus 3. F of 1 is equal to minus 3. Therefore, the value of the polynomial at x is equal to 1, f of 1 is equal to minus 3. This is very, very important concept. Calculation easily can do. Minus 2 and plus 2 will be cancelled. The answer is minus 3. Therefore, f of 1 is equal to minus 3. Like this also you can do. Now, question number 1, 2. Problem number 2. Find the value of the following polynomial at x is equal to minus 2. Before it is minus 1, just 1. Now it is minus 2. X is equal to minus 2. Let x is equal to x square minus x minus 2. Now, at x is equal to 2 in the sense, f of x place. Substitute x is equal to minus 2. 2 into minus 2 whole square minus 3 into minus 2 minus 2. That is equal to 2 into, first you should simplify this part. Minus 2 square is nothing but minus 2 square is nothing but minus 2 into minus 2, that is nothing but plus 4. Plus 4. So 2 into 4 minus, here this part I have to simplify. 3 into minus 2. 3 into minus 2 is nothing but minus 6. 3 into minus 2 is nothing but minus 6. Minus 2. Again, 2 fours are 8. Here you know very well, minus into minus plus, actually, okay, minus into minus plus 8 plus 6 minus 2 is equal to, here 6 plus 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. Therefore, f of minus 2 is equal to 12. F of minus 2 is equal to 12. We are using minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus. Instead of that, you can also use better. You can use this concept also. You should by heart this one. This is a table, a small table. Not negative, positive. Yes, negative, negative. Not positive, negative. Yes, positive, positive. Very, very important. You may get somewhat confusion. If you want, you can adopt only old method. No need to do. If you have any interest, you can do like this. Not negative, positive. Yes, negative, negative. Not positive, negative. Yes, positive, positive. Normally you are using minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into plus minus, plus into plus plus. Instead of that, you can use not negative, yes negative, not positive, as positive also. Evaluate 7x square minus 3x plus 2 for x is equal to minus 2. Find the value of the polynomial at x is equal to minus 2. Both are same. Now let f of x, already always I'm taking f of x, I will take p of x. P of x is equal to 7x square minus 3x plus 2. Now I have to find the value p of minus 2. P of minus 2 is equal to 7 into minus 2 whole square, 3 into minus 2 plus 2 plus 2. First of all, we should simplify this part. This part we should simplify is equal to, you know, already I said minus 2 square value 4, 7 into 4 minus, okay, first of all, you simplify this one. 3 into minus 2, yes, you can write this minus. 3 into minus 2. 3 into minus 2 is nothing but 3 into minus 2 is nothing but minus 6. You write minus 6 in brackets. Plus 2 is equal to 7 4s are 28. Again minus into minus plus. Otherwise you can use this one. Not negative, positive. Not negative. Not negative. Not negative. Not negative. This is not. This one is negative. If not negative in the sense positive, that's what you can keep instead of not negative, positive. Otherwise, your old method, minus into minus plus, that is your wish. 28 plus 6 plus 2. So, if you add 28 plus 2 is equal to 30, 30 plus 6 is equal to 36. Finally, P of minus 2 is equal to 36. P of minus 2 is equal to 36. Find the value of the following polynomial at x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1 and x is equal to minus 1. So, let P of x is equal to, let P of x is equal to 5x square minus 2x plus 1. First one, at x is equal to 0, at x is equal to 0, at x is equal to 0. In the sense, if x is equal to 0, in the sense we have to find P of 0 value. P of 0, 5 into x square, 5 into x square means 5 into 0 square minus 2 into 0 plus 1. Then 5 into 0 square value 0 into 0, 0, 5 into 0 minus 2 into 0 is equal to 0 plus 1. Finally, here also you can write directly 5 into 0, 0 minus 0 plus 1. So, finally, answer is 1. Answer is 1. Therefore, P of 0 is equal to 1. P of 0 is equal to 1. The value of the polynomial, the value of the given polynomial at x is equal to 0 is 1. Next one, second one. We go to second one. Find the value of the polynomial at x is equal to 1. That means let P of x is equal to 5x square minus 2x plus 1 at x is equal to 1 in the sense p of 1 is equal to 5 into 1 square 5 into 1 square minus 2 into 1 plus 1 is equal to 5 into 1 square value 1 1 square value 1 2 ones are 2 2 into 1 2 plus 1 is equal to 5 ones are 5 minus 2 plus 1. Simplify this one. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So therefore, P of 1 is equal to 4. P of 1 is equal to 4. One again, find the value of the polynomial at x is equal to minus 1. At x is equal to minus 1. Let P of x is equal to 5x square minus 2x plus 1. Now we have to find P of minus 1. P of minus 1 is equal to 5 into minus 1 whole square minus 2 into minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 5 into minus 1 whole square. First we have to simplify this part. 5 into minus 1, 5, you write 5, minus 1 whole square. Minus 1 whole square is nothing but minus 1 whole square is nothing but 1. If you want minus 1 whole square is nothing but minus 1 into minus 1, that is nothing but plus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 whole square is equal to plus 1. That's why 5 into 1, 5 into 1, 5 into 1 minus, simplify this part, 2 into minus 1, 2 into minus 1, 2 into minus 1 is equal to minus 2, 2 into minus 1 is equal to minus 2. Next plus 1, plus 1. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. Here already you know, not negative positive, not negative, not negative positive. Otherwise minus into minus plus, you can use that also if you wish. 5 plus 2 plus 1, 5 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 7 plus 1, 8. That is the answer. Therefore, P of minus 1 is equal to P of minus 1 is equal to 8. P of minus 1 is equal to 8. Again, one more sum. You should practice more sums, then only you get a good practice. So, let f of x is equal to 5x cubed minus 2x square plus 3x minus 2. This is the given polynomial. The polynomial of the polynomial is f of x. Find the value of the polynomial at x is equal to 0. At x is equal to 0 in the sense f of 0. F of 0, 5 into 0 cube minus 2 into 0 square plus 3 into 0 minus 2 is equal to, anyhow, 5 into 0 cube, 0, 0 into 0 cube in the sense 0 into 0 into 0, 0, 5 into 0. Here also 2 into 0 plus 3 into 0 minus 2. Anyhow, 5 into 0, 0, 2 into 0, 0, 0 minus 2. Finally, the answer is minus 2. Therefore, f of 0 is equal to minus 2. F of 0 is equal to minus 2. So, second one, same polynomial at x is equal to 1, that is nothing but f of 1. F of 1 is equal to 5 into 1 whole cube minus 2 into 1 whole square plus 3 into 1 minus 2 is equal to 5 into 1 cube. 1 cube value 1. 1 into 1 into 1. 1 cube is nothing but 1 into 1 into 1. 1 cube value 1. 1 to the power of anything is 1. So 1 minus 1 square. 1 square value also 1. 1 square, the value of 1 square is equal to 1 plus 3 into 1. If you want to write 3 into 1 minus 2. 5 ones are 5. 2 ones are 2 plus 3 ones are 3 minus 2 minus 2. How to we should add this? We should simplify. This I can say 5 plus 3 8. 5 plus 5 plus 3 plus 8. Minus 2 minus 4 is equal to 4. If you want, once again I will explain. 5 minus 2 plus 3 minus 2. If you want, you can write 5 plus 3 minus 2 minus 2. If you are adding these 5 plus 3 8, minus 2 is nothing but 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4 is equal to plus 4. That is the answer. Therefore, f of 1 is equal to 4. F of 1 is equal to 4. Find the value of the following polynomial at x is equal to 0, minus 1 and 2. Here given polynomial 5x minus 4x square plus 3. Let p of x is equal to 5x minus 4x square plus 3. At x is equal to 0 and minus 1 and 2 we have to find. That means if x is equal to 0 we have to find p of 0. If x is equal to minus 1 we have to find p of minus 1. If x is equal to 2 we have to find p of 2. Let us find one by one. First, p of 0. P of 0, 5 into 0. 5x is nothing but 5 into x. 4 into 0 square. 4 into 0 square plus 3 is equal to 5 into 0, 0. Anyhow, here also 4 into 0 square 0. That's why 4 into 0 again 0 plus 3. Finally, 0 and 0 will cancel. Finally, the answer is 3. P of 0 is equal to 3. P of 0 is equal to 3. P of 0 is equal to 3. Next, P of 0 is completed. Now I am going to find the value of P of minus 1. P of minus 1 is equal to 5. Substitute x is equal to minus 1. Minus 1. 5 into x. That's why 5 into minus 1. 4 into minus 1 whole square plus 3. Plus 3. This is 5 into minus 1. 5 into minus 1 is nothing but 5 into minus 1 is nothing but minus 5. First you should simplify exponential form. X minus 1 square. Minus 1 whole square is equal to actually 1. If you want, minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to plus 1. That's why minus 4 into minus 1 square is equal to 1 plus 3 is equal to minus 5 minus 4 plus 3. Minus 5, 4 ones are 4, minus 4 ones are 4. Finally here minus 9, minus 5, minus 4, minus 5, minus 4. If you are adding minus 5, minus 4, the answer is minus 9. Minus 9 plus 3. Minus 9 plus 3 is equal to, what is the answer? Minus 6. Therefore, P of minus 1 is equal to minus 6. P of minus 1 is equal to. The third question, P of 2. P of 2. P of 2 is equal to 5 into 2. Substitute x instead of x, we keep 5 into 2. 5 into 2 minus 4 into 2 square. 4 into 2 square plus 3. 4 into 2 square plus 3. So 5 2s are 10 minus. This is very important. First we should simplify the exponential number 2 square. 2 square value 4. 2 square value 4. So 4 into 4 dot we can keep or bracket, no problem. 4 into 4 plus 3 is equal to 10 minus 4 4s are 16 plus 3 is equal to, you know very well, 16 minus 10 is equal to 6. 10 minus 16 is equal to minus 6. 10 minus 16 is equal to minus 6. Minus 6 plus 3. minus 6 plus 3 is nothing but minus 3. You should know the concept of integers very well, then only you can solve those sums. The concept of integers already you learned in 6th and 7th classes. That is very important, otherwise you cannot do these sums. Very important concept. Minus 6 plus 3 is equal to minus 3. Otherwise minus 6 plus 3 is nothing but 3 minus 6. If 6 minus 3 is equal to 3, automatically 3 minus 6 is equal to minus 3. Otherwise many methods are there, same sum, same sign, some different sign difference, but that already learnt in 6th and 7th classes. That's what I am not explaining carefully. This concept is very important. Here the main simplification is very important. Why? Because you must know the concept of integers. So this is we'll go for the next question. The polynomial, given polynomial 2x cube minus 13x square plus 17x plus 12 at x is equal to minus 2 and 2 comma 1 comma 3. Let p of x is equal to 2x cube minus 13x square plus 17x plus 12. Substitute x is equal to 1 by x is equal to minus 1 by 2. P of minus 1 by 2 is equal to 2 into minus 1 by 2 whole cube minus 13 into minus 1 by 2 whole square plus 17 into x plus minus 1 by 2 plus 12 plus 12. Here you listen carefully. X is equal to minus 1 by 2, x is equal to minus 1 by 2, that's why minus 1 by 2 whole cube, here minus 1 by 2 whole square, here minus 1 by 2. So simplify, first of all, minus 2 into minus 1 by 2 whole cube, minus 1 by 2 whole cube. I'll simplify here. Minus 1 by 2 whole cube, the first one is minus 1 by 2 whole cube, is equal to minus 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 2. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus, minus. So numerators you multiply 1 into 1 into 1. Otherwise you do like this, minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 by 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to minus 1 into 1 into 1 1, minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus 1. This is 8. 2 cube 8. 2 into 2 4, 4 2 8. Here the value of minus 1 by 2 whole cube is equal to minus 1 by 8, minus 1 by 8, minus 13 into, we'll go for minus 1 by 2 whole square, minus 1 by 2 whole square is equal to minus 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 2, that is nothing but minus 1 by 1 into 1 by 2 into 2 is equal to 1 into 1 1, minus 1 into 1 1, minus into minus plus into, that's 1 into 1 1 4. Here minus 1 by 2 whole square is nothing but plus 1 by 4, plus 1 by 4, that's this time writing only 1 by 4, plus 17 into minus 1 by 2 plus 12. Let us simplify. Is equal to, you can cancel 2 into minus 1 by 8, 2 table 1 time and 2 table 4 times. That's why 1 into minus 1 minus 1 by 4, minus 1 by 4. This is minus 13 by 4. By 13 into 1 by 4, 13 into 1, 13 and by 4, 13 minus 13 by 4. This one plus 17 ones are 17 minus 17. 17 into minus 1 minus 17 by 2 plus 12 is equal to minus 1 by 4 minus 13 by 4 and the plus of minus plus into minus our concept, otherwise yes negative negative, that also you can use here, yes negative negative, that also you can use so otherwise plus into minus, minus 17 by 2 plus 12, I am writing plus 12 by 1, 12 I can write 12 by 1, right? Because here I am using LCM. So here, what is the LCM of 1 comma 2 comma 4 comma 4? 4 is the LCM. 4 is the LCM. Right? 4 by 4. This 4 by this 4 is equal to 1. 1 into minus 1. I think can understand. Minus 4 by this 4 is equal to 1. 1 into 13. Minus 4 by 2 is equal to 2. 2 into 17. Plus 4 by 1 is equal to 4. 4 into 12. 4 into 12. 4 into 12. I'll explain once again. I think you may not understand. Is equal to LCM is 4. LCM is 4 because the LCM of 1 comma 2 comma 4 comma 4, you know how to find the LCM. So LCM is 4. LCM is 4. That is very, very important. LCM is 4. So 4, this 4 divided by this 4. 4 divided by 4 is equal to 1. 4 by 4 is equal to 1. This one into that minus 1. This one into that minus 1. This minus I am writing. 4 by 4 again. 4 by 4 is equal to 1. This one into 30 minus 4 by 2. 4 by 2. 4 by 2. 4 divided by 2 or 4 by 2. 4 by 2 is equal to 2. That 2 into this 17 plus 4 by this 4 by 1. 4 by 1 is equal to 4. This 4 into 12. This 4 into 12. So here comes simplification. 1 into minus 1 is equal to minus 1. This minus and 30, 1 13s are 13 and this minus 2 17s are 34 plus 4 12s are 48 by 4. Okay, let us simplify. Here minus 1 minus 13 minus 34 minus 34 minus 13 minus 1. 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 1 8, 3 plus 1 4. All are girls, that's why girl 48, there is but nothing but negative 48 plus, if you simplify, minus 1 minus 13 minus 34. Minus 1 minus 13 minus 34 is nothing but minus 48. I have written one more plus 48 is there. Plus 48 by 4 is equal to minus 48 plus 48 is equal to 0. 0 by 4 is equal to 0. Finally, I got this P of minus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. Finally, I got P of minus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. This value is very, very important. In next class, we are going to learn one more topic, that is nothing but 0 of a polynomial. For that, this will be useful. So here the answer is P of minus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. So already we completed P of minus 1 by 2. P of minus 1 by 2. We got P of minus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. Now P of 2. P of 2. Let P of x is equal to 2x cube minus 13x square plus 17x plus 12. Plus 12. Here substitute x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. P of 2. 2 into 2 cube. 2 into 2 cube minus 13 into 2 square plus 17 into 2 plus 12 plus 12. Carefully first let us simplify this exponent, this one and this one. So 2 cube value 8. 2 cube value 8. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 cube is nothing but 2 into 2 into 2. That's why 8. 2 square value 2 into 2 is equal to 4. So let us write 2 into 2 cube is equal to 8 minus 13 2 square is equal to 4 into 4. 17 2s, if you want you can write now itself, otherwise afterwards you can write 17 into 2 plus 12 is equal to 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16, 4s are 52 plus 17 2s are 34 plus 12 is equal to, let us simplify. Here carefully you do. This is plus 16, that's what I am writing here, plus 16. This is plus 34, plus 34, plus 34 and plus 12, plus 12, plus 16, plus 34, plus 12. So 6 plus 4, all are same signs, that's why we can add. 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 1, 2, 5, 6, plus 62. So if you are adding plus 16, plus 34, plus 12, we are getting plus 62 and minus 52. What is the answer? What is the answer for 62 minus 52? 10. Here also plus 62 minus 52 is equal to 10. Therefore, P of 2 is equal to 10. P of 2 is equal to 10. So now P of 1 at x is equal to 1, no? P of 1. P of 1. So P of 1 is equal to 2 into 1 whole cube minus 13 into 1 square plus 17 into 1 plus 12 is equal to 1 cube value 1. 1 cube is equal to 1. So 13 into 1 square value 1. 1 to the power of anything is equal to 1 plus 17 into 1 plus 12 is equal to 2 1s are 2 minus 30 plus 17 1s are 17 plus 12. Here also carefully add. Here this is plus symbol, plus 2 plus 17 and plus 12 we add first, plus 2 plus 17 and plus 12 plus 2 plus 17 plus 2 plus 17 and plus 12. So 17 plus 2 9, 9 plus 2 11, 1 and 1 carry over, 1 plus 1 plus 1 3. This is plus 31. This is plus 31. Only one minus symbol is there, that's why minus 13. 31 minus 13. 31 minus is equal to 31 minus 13 is equal to 18. Therefore, P of 1 is equal to 18. P of 1 is equal to 18. Okay, we discussed about how to find the value of a polynomial. Nearly 6 sums we discussed. So here, this sum, the first sum I left in the sums. Now do this sum also. The 1, 2, 3, 4 total I have given 8 sums assignment. All of you do this assignment.